Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to welcome you to the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. I am Pastor Bennie, and I am the self-proclaimed Forex pastor. And I come to you from time to time showing you uh, uh, profits from trades that I make in the Forex market to serve as an encouragement, as an example, and potential to the money that you can make as well. And I want to give the disclaimer. I'm going to give the disclaimer how I like to give it, and that is that your future profits are not indicative of past results. So, meaning just because you've seen me make a particular amount of money with a trade, that does not mean that you're going to be able to do the same thing. And simply because the things that you have to take into consideration is your knowledge of Forex, um, who you are as a person. Um, you may be impatient. um, you may, uh, yeah, really the main thing that kills people in the Forex market is impatience. Um, but so yeah, you may not be cool, calm, and collective as I portray to be. Yeah, let's go. Let's go with that. Because no one's perfect, right? Anyway, so today I am laying it all on the line today, so to speak. I am giving you a look into the Forex system that I have created. And when I say that the Forex system I have created, I'm not saying that I have gone out here and pioneered a trading um, any type of trading tools or anything of that nature. But I'm basically sharing with you the compilement of my knowledge and also the tools that I've found to help me. And what I've done with those tools is I've created my own set of rules, my own set of understanding um, that I feel are easy for anybody to trade forex. As I often say, if you can click a button, then you can trade forex, and you guys are going to find out exactly why I say that. Um, let me just let me get where is it? Is it on the public? Yeah. Okay. Let me just let me get this picture minimized a little bit. Transition that over. Bring it up a little bit more. So, all right, hopefully you guys you can see that. I'm gonna take it off the screen here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off the screen. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I have going on. All right. First off, what I'm going to do is make a quick demo account. All right. Uh, let's see. Let's go with Hugo's way for this demo. New demo account. All right. Awesome. You guys can see that information. And let's see. Let's put let's put let's put 500. Put 500 in the account. In this little demo account. All right. So, all right, guys. So, awesome. All right. So, if Forex is very new to you, you can head over to my Facebook page to Teach Me to Fish Effects, um, and you can check out some of the video that is on the Facebook chat page. You can head over to the website, the teachmetofisheffects.com, and check out some of the intro and free videos there. Um, as a matter of fact, the videos are not up on the website because I was having some issues with who was I using? Um, Vimeo. I was using Vimeo to host those videos there. So in all actuality, they're not there. If you're in the group, in the Facebook group, they're on the Facebook page. But nonetheless, you can go and sign up for a free account and get the basics of Forex. I think what I'll do is release those videos. Um, I'll release those videos publicly on the Facebook page as well. I'm just trying to figure out exactly what it is, what how it is that I want to host those videos, and I'm leaning to just hosting them on my own servers. But we'll get to that. But anyway, so today I am going to show you guys the system that I have in place on how I'm trading forex, how I'm teaching those individuals that are a part of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community on how to trade forex. So what I'm going to do is open up the Market Watch, uh, excuse me, section here of MetaTrader 4. And as you guys see here, you guys already see a list of different currency pairs that are here. Um, and so I am going to. This is my layout. I'm gonna give you guys the game. Okay, this is what I do. All right, I will not go into full detail. You're gonna have to sign up and be a part of the trading community if you want to see everything in full detail. But I will give you just to show you how easy it is to trade forex the way that I trade it. And so we're gonna go from there. So the very first thing that I want to share with you is there are what I like to do is I like to trade the most volatile pairs of the year or of the past year, and so uh, I have a list of pairs that I look at. So every morning, what I'm going to do, depending upon the account that I'm using, because I do use about three different broker accounts, and not all of the broker accounts allow me to trade crypto, look at the dollar index, and some other things. And so um, the point I was getting to, I'm so sorry, but the point I was getting to is I like to check the dollar index. I like to check to see what the dollar is doing because, believe it or not, the dollar it really affects the market. Okay, and now when I say that, it's not like the stock market. Okay, the forex market is not like the stock market, and this is why I love trading forex because as long as you're on the correct side of the trade, you're going to make money. So it doesn't matter if the dollar is depreciating. It doesn't matter if the dollar is decreasing in value. It doesn't matter if the dollar is appreciating. It doesn't matter if it is uh, going up or ascending in value. Um, as long as you're on the right side of the trade, you're going to make money. And so um, I like to check the dollar index. So I'm just going to pull up uh, the dollar here. Let me see where I'm at right here. And I'm going to show that. There we go. Now, I'm getting ready to show you guys the system. Okay, this is the system that I have put together. This is a system that is allowing me to be successful in my trading week in and week out. And so I'm going to give you guys my psychology. I'm going to show you guys the indicator that I'm using, or the indicators that I'm using for confluence, for confidence. First and foremost, uh, trade price action and trade the market cycle. The market does run in cycles, And once you know what the cycles are, you're good to go. All right, so first thing we're going to do is take a look at the dollar index. I'm just going to chart this. And so immediately you guys should be seeing my chart. Yes, you see the chart. All right, and so what I have going on, let me show you guys what I have going on. All right, so um, the default template is a 4-hour chart. All right, I love the 4-hour chart. That is my go-to. Um, 4 hour and the weekly, but mainly the 4 hour. That is my go-to. And so sometimes you may see me do a post every single day, um, depending upon the pairs that I'm following and what they're doing in the market. If it looks good, if it looks right for me, then I get in. If it doesn't, then I don't. And that's based on the 4 hour and the weekly chart. And so right now, I am in this dollar trade because the dollar is going up right now. But basically, what I have on my screen, all right, we're taking it. This is the 4 hour chart, all right, and this is what I have with the 4 hour chart. I have these gray vertical lines, all right, and they separate the week. Okay, they separate each week. All right. I also on my chart I have some exponential moving averages. All right. You see a total of 5 here, exponential moving averages. All right. And below that I have the stochastic um, oscillator, and below that I have the TDI indicator. All right, the stochastic and the TDI indicator, they both are going to show me when the market is overbought or oversold. All right, and so basically it shows the exhaustion points, and I use all of these for confluence. All right, I use all these for confluence. Okay, and I also have uh, some um, half points, halves of the quarter points, half and full points for the quarter points. All right. Um, if you guys don't know, numbers play a bit a big role in the Forex market as far as support and resistance. And again, if you're not fully caught up with Forex, again, I encourage you to sign up for the Teach Me to Fish Effects community, because one thing I really love about the community that I have created, you can be a novice and you can be an expert and come in and kill the game. Right? You can be a novice, you can be a beginner, you can be someone with no experience whatsoever, and I give you the necessary basics of Forex. Right? I don't overload you with everything, because you don't need to be overloaded with everything. But I give you the basics that you need to get caught up to the expert. Okay, and so we start from there. All right, so what we have here, what you guys are looking at, there is an indicator that I use. Okay, there is an indicator that I found that helps me with my price action and my market cycle um, knowledge, if you will. Okay, and so when market cycle, or when price action, market cycle, and my indicator lines up, I'm in the trade, right? And it doesn't take a lot. You guys have seen the videos, $1,800 profit trades, $3,000 profit trades, $6,000 profit trades. All right, you've seen the videos, and so again, today I want to come and show you guys what it is that I'm doing, what it is that I'm using, how I'm looking at it. I want to show you guys how easy trading Forex is. All right, it doesn't have to be complicated, right? Yes, we can talk about um, you know, half Batman patterns. We can talk about the trend lines and things of that nature. And it's good to have the basic knowledge. And for me, the basic knowledge is really support and resistance, trend line support and resistance, uh, horizontal support and resistance, vertical support and resistance, EMA support and resistance, and quarter point support and resistance. All right. And so um, it's good to have all that knowledge because all that is going to play into how it is that I'm taking my trades. And I think that's what I was getting into. I said I got a little bit lazy, and getting lazy is a good thing. All right, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but it's a good thing because I was one of these guys who was getting up early in the morning, all right, to trade forex, waiting for um, this special move to take place. And I'm not downing that or anything like that because that is um, that system is a base, is a foundation, right? It was a foundation for me, and it took me um, from hitting the glass ceiling to breaking the glass ceiling. But again, I was getting up early in the morning, always checking my charts, always on my phone. And so I had to get some things figured out. Number one, I was like, okay, I need to look into this swing trade, right? This intraday trading and this scalping, it, it's not working for me, right? I have too many other responsibilities. Um, and secondly, I just got tired of waking up. I just got tired of waking up so early in order to, catch these trades. And so I ran across a particular indicator, and this indicator, and again, if you sign up for the Teach Me to Fish Effects, I'll share what the indicator is with you guys. Um, but this particular indicator, it lined up with my knowledge of market cycle and support and resistance and quarter points. And when I found that it did that, and I back tested. I went back. Now I'm not going back now. I didn't back. I'm not back testing it now, but I'm just showing you that you can go back. All right, you can go back, and this indicator would show me when the market was exhausted. The same way that the stochastics and the TDI would show me that it was exhausted. And you don't even need the stochastic or the TDI to do this. You don't need quarter points or whole numbers or any EMAs to do this. If you have a knowledge of price action and market cycle, price action, market cycle, and understand support and resistance, being able to read your chart for support and resistance, you can trade this. You don't need this other stuff. Um, you can do this. And so um, I found this. I back tested it to see if it will work. And let me guys show you. Let me show you guys basically what this thing does. All right. Um, every week, every week, every week, the market makes what is known as well, I say this for the most part every week, and it really depends on the time frame because well, I'm sorry, my apologies. Every week, or for the most part, every week, the market makes what is known as a mid-week reversal, meaning that the market is going to go in one direction, and sorry guys, just I hope you guys can still hear me. They're out doing the line today, but um, the market makes what's known as the midweek reversal. All right. Number one, when I stopped trading intraday and just started focusing on the midweek reversals, that was the game changer for me. All right. That was the game changer for me. And then um, finding this indicator where it showed me the not necessarily the midweek reversals, um, but when the market was making a turn, it was a game changer for me. So that's what we're looking at here. Right now, we're taking a look at the dollar index, and so and I hope you guys can follow along. I know I'm kind of all over the place right now, but this is what I do. This is my system. This is how easy this system is. All right. Um, when I see, for instance, when I see a green square pop up, I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close, right, with this green square here. Now, this green square is letting me know that the market itself is getting ready to rise. Now, what I do is I don't immediately get in once this candle closes with the green square. I wait for this candle to close and the green square to pop up, all right? And then from there, for confluence, all right, I'm gonna look for, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a quarter point. I'm looking for EMAs, right? I'm looking at price action, right? Um, um, candle patterns, right? Right here, this is a what's called a rail. No, that's not a railroad. That is an engulfing candle. Yeah, this right here is an engulfing candle, right? Um, I'm looking for that. Then I'm also looking at stochastics and or TDI. Okay. Now, what I do, and watch this, even if you don't have the EMA, even if you don't have uh, your whole numbers or your quarter points listed, I'm sure if I added some, if I added all of the quarter points in here, let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see if I let me see. Let me see if I better if I go down to like the 1 hour. No. All right. Well, we won't worry about it. Let me just get. That's all right. We'll leave it. Even if you didn't have all that, even if you just had this indicator that I use and your knowledge of price action, you can do this. And with this one simple rule, once this pops up and the candle closes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in and only get in on the next candle that closes above this candle. So this candle itself, it closed at 98 spot 311. And so I'm waiting for a candle to close above that. And so that means I'm waiting an additional 4 hours. I'm going to be patient. And I'm waiting an additional 4 hours for this candle to close above this candle. Now, once this candle closes, all right, this is the 5 o'clock candle. Once this candle closes, I'm jumping in. All right, I'm jumping into the trade. All right, at 3 hours, 59 minutes, 29 seconds. I'm there, waiting for it to close and this one to start. I'm gonna jump in. All right, I'm gonna set my stop loss to be at the low of this candle, so it would be here. All right, so I'm getting it. I'm getting jumping in here, and I'm waiting 4 hours, 8 hours. I'm waiting, right? I'm waiting. So we see here we're in a little bit of profit. You 4 pip profit here. Uh, Here we're at a 10 pip profit profit. Here we're at a 22 pip deficit, right? But our stop loss has not been taken out. This is why good trading risk management comes in at. And so on this particular trade, excuse me, on this particular trade, and this is actually the trade that I am in right now. On this particular trade, the market is going has went sideways, but now, um, right at the moment, you're looking at a 31 pip profit, right? At the most 36 pip profit, right? And so you want to gradually move your stop loss up, right? You want to gradually move your stop loss up. Um, let's take a look at some more examples. Take a look at this example. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm going to wait for the indicator to pop up with this red square. All right, letting me know that it's getting ready to drop. The market is getting ready to drop. All right, we're gonna make this very simple for you. I'm waiting for that candle to completely close, right? And then I get in on the next candle that closes below our indicating candle. So basically, I call this the signal candle. All right, this is my signal candle right here. This is my confirmation candle. The next candle would be the confirmation candle. And so once this closes down below it, and I'm going to show you something else that you can do, but once this closes down below it, I hop in and you go until the green candle pops up. And for me, I go ahead and wait for this to close. Yes, that means I'm gonna I could have had a 91 pip profit, but I just wait for it to close, and I end up having a 58 pip profit. But how simple is that, right? It's letting me know that the market is getting ready to drop. Instead of just jumping in, right, we want to make sure that the next candle, or we just want to wait on another candle that closes below the close of a bearish candle, or closes above the close of a bearish candle, of a bullish candle. And then we want to jump in. How easy is that? You don't have to know anything about anything, right? All you have to know is your colors. That's it. Now, if you want to do confluence and things of that nature, yeah, you can take a look at the stochastics, and you can see here where the stochastic was in a overbought state, and that lines up here. Like, okay, that's confluence. You can also see where the TDI was in an overbought state. All right, the green signal line of the TDI, it was in an overbought state outside the Bollinger Band, right when this closed. And look what happened. This closed. Yeah, you could have jumped in, right? But the point of the game is to lose as less money as possible, because that's just a fact, right? It's just a reality. You're gonna lose money, right? But you want to lose as less money as possible, all right? Because you're gonna have times where the reason why you're gonna lose money is because you're gonna have times where you're impatient. You're gonna have times to where you're probably not exercising good risk management, okay? And preferably you wouldn't, but it's just the name of the game, right? It's just human nature. But how easy is that? How easy is that for you, right? If you are someone who are you're looking for extra income, you're looking for something to replace um, that 9 to 5. So maybe you can go and invest in your own business, invest more money in the Forex market. So now you have, money coming in without having to go clock in and receive the harsh treatment that some of these jobs give you. All right. these labor intensive jobs that you've been doing for 30 and 40 years, these jobs that you've been on for 5 years, and there's no future in them. You need to create a multiple stream of income. And Forex is a really easy way to get into it. And I've found a system, all right? I've created my own system by way of some indicators that are already out there. I'm showing you guys my game plan, right? I'm giving you the knowledge, the market cycle. I'm really not hiding anything except for the details about what the indicator is, right? And which you'll have access to it if you join the trading community. But if not, I mean, you're already walking away with knowing that, hey, just about every week the market makes a reversal. Look at this one. This week, um, last week, um, it was going in one direction, and then it turned. It made a weekly reversal, right? Um, and we're riding this one out, right? On my real account, I'm riding this one out. I have my stop loss set and everything like that. I'm moving that up periodically, gradually as the market goes, but we're still waiting for um, we're still waiting for the signal that the market is going to go down. And once we get that signal, we play that. You play that, right? And so it's really simple. Like it's really simple. And Forex can be complicated, right? When you look at the fundamentals and um, learn the fundamentals, but don't take them to heart because the Forex market is rigged, okay? The Forex market, and when I say it's rigged, I mean it's manipulated, right? It's manipulated for individuals who don't understand the game. I give you the game in the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. All right, I let you know what the manipulation is, what to look for, all right? And then I give you this indicator, okay? I give you this indicator that once you have that knowledge, you can just walk up to your charts, look for the bearish square, look for the bullish square, check your confluence, wait for the confirmation candle, and you trade. It's that simple. It is that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple. It is that simple. Um, in the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, I share um, um, what is it? Is it three? Yeah, I share uh, three foundational trading methods, right? And with those three foundational trading methods, they help you to build your knowledge and your confidence in the forex market. They teach you what's going on. They teach you about the market manipulation that's out there. They teach you the key points of the market that you want to wait for price to get to, right? And then get into your trades, right? And then you come over to this indicator, right? Or you can jump into the indicator before then. You know, if you sign up for the pro trader or the expert trader, I can't even, and that's really bad. But you guys know me. If you follow me on any of my videos, you guys know that uh, I'm down to earth, and I don't put on airs or anything like that. But anyway, I'm just pulling up the website. Head over to the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. Okay, the teachmetofishfx.com. Head over there. All right, take a look. Click on the enroll button and take a look at the different packages. We got the pro trader, the market beater, and the free training. All right. The market beater is the one you want to sign up for if you want to get this indicator. Okay, that's the one that you want to sign up for. And as a matter of fact, let me just do this. Um, I am going to add this for you guys. Browser source. Okay. There we go. All right, I'm just setting this up for you guys. So awesome. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't completely let me here. Let's do it this way. It doesn't completely let me navigate the website. So let me do it this way for you guys. And we are going to delete that. Yes, I'm sure. And we're going to pull in. I'm sorry, guys. I should have had this together for you guys. I'm so sorry. But it's all good. Y'all love me. Y'all praying for me, right? You guys don't mind being a little patient. I'm giving you game, right? I'm giving you game. You want to be a little patient. Y'all be a little patient for a brother. There we go. All right, enough of that. All right, I'm sorry. All right, let's just get back into it. I'm so sorry. But head over to the website, okay? Just head over to the website. You'll see everything that you get. Um, you can sign up for the free training, right? It's going to give you access to the free training videos for 7 days, right? 7 days, you get the free training videos, all right? From there, you can sign up for the market beater, which is going to give you access to the free training videos. It's going to also give you access to the pro trader level, everything that comes with that. Then you also get your mentorship with me, along with the indicator. You also get access to my um, my my um, trading. Um, Man, I don't know why it escapes me, but you get access to my trading terminal, where you can actually see the trades that I am in. But isn't this simple, right? Multiple streams of income. Okay, sign up, learn risk management, right? Learn uh, market cycle, price action, right? Learn structure, get access to the indicator where you can become a lazy trader and just wait for the squares to pop up on your screen. And once you do that, you just wait on your confirmation and you jump in. That's simple. Now look at this. Let's take a look and see. Let's go back. All right. So last week we got a signal here on September 3rd, confirmation came on, it should be September 3rd as well. I don't think you guys can see it anyway. So September 3rd, we got confirmation on September 3rd, and it ran for 58 candles. All right, and 58 times 4, because this is 4 hours candle. So for 232 hours, right, you made 58 pips. And let's say if you were trading a standard, which is $10 per pip, you would have made $580, a little over $580. Just for being patient for a square to pop up, wait for your confirmation, be patient, and jump in. Now, potentially, full potential is 91 and a half pips. So you're looking at over $910 if you're trading at a standard. Let's go back. So we get our signal. We wait for the next candle to close above that, and we let it roll for a potential of 172 pips. If you were trading at a standard, you're talking about $1,700. The time before that, we got a bearish indicator. All right, wait for the candle to close, and this particular trade, you're looking at a potential of 9 pips. All right, and so this was just a quick little pullback from this uptrend. But here's the secret. This is one thing I almost forgot. If you don't want to wait the full 4 hours, all right, what you do is you get your signal. You see, take a look at your signal candle. All right, you drop a vertical line on it. You go one time frame down. You go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here's your candle, and on the 1 hour time frame, here is the signal candle for it. All right, so instead of waiting for 4 hours, what you're gonna do is, based on this candle, all right, you are gonna wait for the market to close above this candle. And so instead of waiting an additional, let's see, how long did we wait for the signal on that one? You got that signal. You, instead of waiting 4 hours, all right, you would have waited 2 hours, jumped in, and got the potential 38 pips. So if you don't want to wait the 4 hours, all right, you can go to a 4 hour chart. All right, you can wait for the signal to come, drop a vertical line on that signal counter, drop down to the 1 hour chart, drop down. You can even drop down to the 15 minute chart. Let's find that. All right, you drop down to the 15-minute chart. Why I told you guys to drop down? No, I'm sorry. Why I told you guys that? That was for that's for the scalper video. I'm sorry. I'm showing you guys the easy swing trades that I do. All right, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so with the swing trades, you don't want to drop down any lower than a 1 hour chart. All right, when using this. All right, tell you guys, I'm being up and real with you guys, and you know, the video is what the video is. All right. So you wait for the indicator. You wait for the indication. You wait for the square, whether it's a bearish square like the red one, or a bullish square, which is the green one. You wait for it to pop up. You consider that your signal candle, and then you wait on your confirmation candle, which is the candle that closes above it. All right. Once that candle closes above it, you jump in the trade. and you ride that trade into the next signal for a potential of 171 pips. Now, this is why I love Forex. This is why I don't care what the stock market is doing, so to speak. As long as I get, as long as I'm on the right side of the trade, right? As long as I'm on the right side of the trade, I'm gonna profit. I'm gonna make money. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys. If you can look at your screen and differentiate between red and green. Red meaning market is going down, green meaning the market is going to go up. You can trade Forex. You don't need to know anything else. You don't need to know anything else. Yeah, I said again, you don't need to know anything else to trade this Forex market. That and proper risk management, you'll be a successful trader. Now, when you become one of these millionaire traders, you possibly will. I don't know how much money you have to invest in it, but as little as $10. There's some brokers out there, $5, $1. You can start trading Forex. You can start trading Forex. You just want to get started, right? So head over to the Teach Me to Fish Effects community. If you guys found this to be beneficial, um, and you can trust me. I'm not one of these shisty guys out here. Yes, it's true. I am a pastor. I'm a real pastor. I pastor a church, and I'm just a type of guy who I want to give game. It's what I call living the abundant life. I want to help you to practically live the abundant life, and so um, that's why I do this kind of stuff. That's why I created the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, because I was once there, and when I learned this information, I was like, oh my, I need to pass this on to my reach. I need to get this to my reach, and so again, you guys can see it's simple. It's simple. I have made it so simple, and I don't know why no one else is really trying to give game like this, but I want to show you. And like I said, head over to the website. You can sign up on for the free courses, for the free videos, to get your feet wet, to see if you'll like it. And then if you want, you can move on and into the monthly memberships. Um, there's no signed contracts. You can start and stop whenever you want, when you feel like if you feel like you have all the information you need. I mean, like, who else is giving a system for $25? Well, for $50. There's no one else out there giving you guys a system, training, and mentorship for $50. I am active with my traders. All right, I am active with uh, my mentees, those in the group. If you guys know, if you have questions, I'm there. I'm giving out trade alerts because I want to see you succeed. I don't believe in just taking your money, but I want to see you succeed. And so that's it. I know the video's gone a little bit, but I wanted to kind of give you a peek behind the scenes, let you see what's going on. And this works for any pair. Um, I trade the more volatile pairs, and you see I have an indicator here. It's set for 365 days. It shows me what what the average daily range in pips is for that pair. The most volatile pair, I will tell you, it is the GBP NZD. I didn't mean to do that. Let me get I don't know why it's not already on my screen, but oh yeah, that's right, because it's the demo. But anyway, um, show you guys. GBP NZD. Now on most brokers, this spread is like 14. It's like a 14, 15 pip spread. But look, ADR, average daily range, is 101. It really has changed, because it used to be like 160 something. I've been trading GBP USD for so long, but I think it, yeah. But take a look at this. Take a look at this last, the move before it last. Here's our signal candle. All right. We're waiting for the confirmation for a candle to close above that, which would be here. Let me bring this up some for you guys. All right. So yeah, this is where I want to go. Yeah, here it is. So you guys should be able to see this. Look at this. Our signal candle. All right. We're looking for our confirmation candle, which is the 4-hour candle that's going to close above the signal candle, which would be this candle. This candle, it closes, right? And now I'm going to have to bring it down some so you guys can see. Oops. Signal candle, confirmation candle. We jump in, potential move of 978 pips over a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 week. For 4.5 weeks, you're just sitting there watching your money go up for 4.5 weeks. Right? For 4.5 weeks. If you're trading at a standard, that's what did I say, 980? Let me see what that was again. Here's the confirmation. 978. That's 978 pips. So you're talking, if you're trading at a standard, you're talking almost a $10,000 profit. If you're not trading at 10, if you're trading at 5, you're talking about 5,000. It's all exponential. That's what I always say. It's all exponential. So whatever you can get into the game with, that's what you get in with. But look at that move. 978 pips times 10. $9,780 potential profit. This is what I would suggest. Pull your monies together. I used to do this. I don't do it anymore because it was just a nightmare when I would trade for people. It became a nightmare. Simply because they wanted you to do all the work, and they didn't agree to. All it was really, they just didn't agree to my percentage, which is basically a 50-50 percentage. Kind of high, yes, but you're giving money and you're not worrying about it. But anyway, and that was before I implemented this system. That was when I was really, really working. And anyway, get off my rant, get off my soapbox. But look at this. You can pool your money together with you and your family members. And over, what we say, 1, 2, 3, 4.5 weeks. Almost a $10,000 profit. Anybody can trade Forex. Anybody. You just have to have the knowledge, right? You just have to have the knowledge. And I'm showing you where you don't even need the knowledge. You just got to have the system. You just got to have a mentor who doesn't mind giving you the knowledge, who doesn't mind giving you the game. So if you feel like this is for you, you feel like I might be able to help you out, I may be able to mentor you, and help you to make this money, you guys, you can go back and just look at the trading videos that I've shown. Um, if you feel like that's for you, head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up, and let's get this money. But that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. I have some other things I need to do, some other videos I need to make, and I hope this has encouraged you. Even if you don't do Forex by way of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, I encourage you, jump in it. Find a mentor, find a system that works for you, and start making money. Start bettering your life. Um, Start creating generational knowledge and generational wealth. Um, Change your family, change your community. We can change the world that way. It takes money to make money. The Bible says that money answers all things, and it's true. You can think of every aspect of life, every aspect of quality of life, and see that, man, if I had a little extra, that quality would be much greater. It would actually be quality. So this is just a means. Forex is just a means, all right? Forex is just a means, and I just ultimately I want to see people do well. So even if you don't sign up with me, um, and this is not a MLM, all right? This is not a multi-level marketing scheme. This is an actual community that I have started up, that I am mentoring individuals. I don't get any more money from you signing up or someone signing up under you. That is not how I have it set up. Um, I do. I have implemented an affiliate aspect to it, to where, hey, if you do sign someone up, then you're gonna get a portion of their sign up money, right? So I do help you learn while you earn, right? But it's not multi-level, right? It's not a pyramid scheme or anything like that, but it's to try to further help you to make money while you're learning. So I do have the affiliate aspect, as well as the trade alerts that I do um, from time to time, and especially when we get new people signing up, I make sure I put these trade alerts out there, so you can make money as well. So um, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. This video has ran longer than I wanted it to, but again, you can't beat this. Like, you can't beat it. As long as you're not colorblind, right? You can trade this. You can get the system. You don't necessarily need all this stuff on here. No, you don't. All you need is the squares, right? And you just wait for the confirmation candle, and then you jump in. You don't need all this. All this is just on here just for a bit of confluence. All right, we got our signal candle here. We see that it's overbought for the stochastic indicator. It's overbought for the TDI. Bam. Okay, that's more confluence for me. I'm gonna wait on the confirmation candle. Once that confirmation candle comes, I know that I'm gonna ride it until my next signal comes up. I'm gonna jump out of the trade here, and now I'm gonna wait for my entry into this trade. Every single trade is not 978 pips. No, and I showed you where one trade was only 9 pips. But there are so many different currency pairs for you to trade. Also, if you sign up for like JAF FX or Hugo's Way. Hugo's Way is the one that I'm playing around with the most now. You can jump into crypto. You can jump into these other different markets like the Nasdaq, the I call it the Neki, but the Nikki, the Japanese market. You can jump into that. You can jump into different stocks. You can trade them just like this, as long as you're on the right side. Well, when I say stocks, I mean like the different like company stocks, like your Apple. You can trade Netflix, all right. You can do all of that, right? And you can use this system. You don't have to know anything about anything. You don't have to know about the closing quarterly financial points for this, and what the stock market did for that, or what the Nikki did for that. You don't have to know any of that, but you can trade all of it, and you can take advantage of it, and you can create that generational wealth that you and your family deserve. Listen, you deserve it, all right? You're a human being, and that's all that matters. And that's your qualifying factor. You're human, and you deserve better than what you have. And I'm just trying to help. I'm just trying to help. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here finally for this time, for real, for real. And so, with that being said, as I always say, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.